you got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support. What's going on, man? Yeah. What you got running in right now, man?
4 Oblivion 15s from Slapz on 4 shot 5Ks.
You had some messing here one time, didn't you?
Yeah, I was running DCs and switched to these.
Yeah.
You get a little bit deeper.
You got a lot of power back there.
Yeah, just a little.
I was talking to my partner the other day. He was telling me about the struggle with him.
We're gonna drop it a little bit low.
Okay. It's real punchy too.
Oh yeah. See if I can get this one to drop a little low.
I'm so good.
Where can I find you on social media, man?
Facebook. Right now it's just Facebook. I was working on the Instagram page, TikTok page at UP through Slapz.
Okay.
So we're working on a couple things to try to promote it a little bit better.
Yeah, that was a real good demo right there. That's my first time actually getting to hear it in person, man. Those are the subs and the amps, right?
Yes, sir.
Y'all be sure to check out Slapz Audio.
I'm actually working on putting the highs amps through Slapz in here too.
Okay, I'm gonna keep in touch with you, man.
All right,
We're gonna do it
you're
again.
gonna be at We Are Not Alone.
I'm gonna try to make it. They've been talking about
I've actually got a couple flyers.
You still rolling?
Yeah, it's still
Subscribe to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me?
Right, so appreciate it, man. Tell
And you got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.